I'm Ryan from Prima, and this is the Woodress Model 1 mobile coffee cart. Have you ever dreamed of launching your own mobile cafe? Well, you're not alone, because every year, countless coffee enthusiasts see the potential in starting small and building a business from the ground up. Operating a coffee cart isn't just fun, it's an incredible opportunity to kickstart your own coffee brand with minimal investment and essential know-how. If you're just starting to plan your future coffee cart, Prima has a wealth of resources to support you in learning the mobile coffee business. We offer free consultations, a 5-part complimentary mobile coffee course, and all of the equipment and accessories you need to bring your mobile coffee dreams to life. You can find all this information and more in the description of this video. At the core of your mobile coffee business is the coffee cart, and today I'm excited to introduce to you a fantastic new offering at Prima, the Woodress Model 1. Handmade in Santa Cruz, California, the Model 1 is a 7-piece, fully collapsible coffee cart that assembles in under 3 minutes without any hardware, which means you can walk this thing straight through your front door and store it away at home. The cart features a spacious 57 by 26.5-inch countertop, offering you enough room for a 1 to 2 group espresso machine, grinder, knockbox, pitcher rinser, POS system, and even a small hand washing sink. The mobile one also includes optional 12-inch folding shelves that provide extra space for supplies, menu boards, or a handoff plane. Inside the cart, you've got 2 open cabinet spaces and a large shelf with plenty of room for a fridge, water reservoir, drain, water pump, and extra storage. And on the underside are 4 built-in casters to wheel this cart around with very little effort. The Model 1 was designed with materials that strike the perfect balance between low weight and high durability. The body is constructed of 3/4-inch plywood with a water-based pressed paper lining that provides waterproof protection inside the cart, and externally the cart's laminated to withstand repeated washings, moisture, and impacts in transport. The countertop is made from a thick Formica laminate, which also offers excellent scratch and dent resistance, as well as high water resistance, and supports up to 350 pounds, or really as much equipment as you can fit up here. The coffee cart comes standard without any holes cut in the countertop for water, power, knock chutes, or rinsers, but upon request and for an additional fee, the countertop can be ordered with pre-cut holes according to your specs. And that about does it for the Woodress Model 1. Let's get it broken down, packed back up in my car, and get out of here. Thanks so much for watching.